How to change default PDF viewer in Windows 10 PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Settings and then click on Apps, which is below Devices and over Ease of Access. Then click on Default Apps. Scroll all the way down in Default Apps and then click on Choose Default Apps by File Type. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find PDF. After you find PDF, simply click on plus button or simply click on the app which is in there. Click on it and you'll find other app option. You can choose any app from here. And that's how you change default PDF viewer in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.